Willkommen, bienvenue, welcome. This is not a cabaret, but I hope this will brighten up your day. Here I am. My name is Suzanne M. Scholler. You might see me on Twitter as Sister Sue. I only have one little subscriber. Is that you? I hope you will subscribe. As you see there's Sister Sue's my Twitter there. So subscribe, please. Hit the bell as well. Anyway, today's little video is how to upload a video to YouTube. You see here that I have this lovely little TB that we'll talk about that later. And shortly, that stands for TubeBuddy. I have the free version of that. So here we are. We're going to hit on our create and upload video. Here it goes. So now I'm going to be directed to select files. And we'll pull one of these up here. Unfortunately, my camera is not working anymore. And we'll choose that one for fun. I believe that was a vlog I made previously that I tried to upload to Twitter. We'll put a title in here. We just put anything in there to start. We'll just put vlog. Description, January 25th. So we just want to upload this quickly. We can get into the TubeBuddy things that will help us do this later. January 25th, 2021. Purpose of life. This video is the one where I'm using Grammarly here. If you're wondering what this little thing is, that's Grammarly that points things out that I need to fix. Okay, so we've got a title in there. We have the details. We need to slide down. We can add this to a playlist. And it says add your video to one or more playlists. Playlists help video viewers find it. So I have a number of YouTube tutorials. Let's see, do I have a vlog one here? Healthy Me. We'll check that one. Done. We can add it to more as well. Audience. Now, did I make this for kids or no, it's not made for kids? No, this is not made for kids. If you choose to say it's made for kids, people will not be able to comment on it. More options. So click on there. There's something you want to do. And this does not contain any paid promotions. No one's paid me for doing this. Tags. If you would like to pay me to do a video for you, we will hopefully get the camera working. Okay, so we put in some tags here. So vlog. And we put vlog creations. There we are. See, the TubeBuddy gives you related search terms, which is really great. This is a free version of that. And January 25, 2021. There we are. Purpose of life. And love. Now, see, it pops up different long tail keywords. Love, love, love one another. Christian vlogs. Christian vlogger. I might put Christian vlog. So anyway, we put a number of titles in there. Christian vlogger channels, Christian vlog there. Just do that. Okay. You want to make sure your tags that you put in are relevant to what you put in your video. If I had put Christian vloggers, that would mean I would be talking about all different types of. Here we have travel vlog music, travel vlog airport. So these vlogs are very popular. Maybe something I'll do in the near future too. If you have a vlog you'd like me to see, I would love to see that too. Okay, video language is English. Caption certification. This has not been put anywhere before. I can upload subtitles if I wish to later. Recording date and location. I'm going to put today's date in here. That helps people who are looking for things that date. The location. This is Ontario, Canada. People are looking for location-based things. If you want to make this as close to if you feel comfortable making this close to your place of residence, you can do that there too, or your place of business. I'm going to allow people to embed this, and to publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. News. This is not news and politics. This one. This one is people. So we choose. It's definitely like people and blogs. There we are. You can choose to. I choose to hold potentially inappropriate comments and sort them by the top comment, or you can sort these by the newest. Choose the newest. Show how many viewers like and dislike this video. If you have a lot of viewers, might be a good idea. You might not want to have that on. Okay. So we finished. It's finished processing. Processing. I have a difficult time saying that word. And we click next here. Now we add we can add cards. Now, if you're at a higher level of this, you can add. That's what. Here we are. I'm going to add a link to my channel. I'll put my name in here. I'll search. There we are. There's me with 1 subscriber. Meet the maker. There we are. Who made this vlog? That's a teacher. I might just make the maker. Capital A. Meet the maker. So you can see up there. Meet the maker. You can have up to 30 characters in there. And now, let's slide this down a little bit. Here we see where to place it in here. So you can have it show at different places in the video. And we're just going to do this quickly. And you can preview it here. And hit save. And add an end screen. We're not going to go into that today. Next. We can choose to make it private, unlisted, or public. Now, one thing you can do with unlisted is that you can make a video so people can only list it after they do a certain action. And then you release the link to them. We can get into that another time. I'm going to make this public, and it's very interesting. If you set it as an instant premiere, it kind of sends a little alert out. It's a very interesting thing I've seen before. Or you can schedule it for later. Okay, so it says before you post this up, do kids appear in the video? And there's overall content guidance as well. I'm not going that today, and we're going to publish. As they say, publish or perish. And then we can share the link. So here we're going to go on to mix. And we're going to put this very quickly in here. And I have a vlog tab here, my vlogs. And there it is. It's added to my vlog collection. Now, if I wanted to, we can get into other things we can do here. We'll do that later. So I'm just going to close that tab. So we can, and here we can share it to a lot of different places. And you can spread sunshine all over the place. And I will do that later. Here's a video link. You can copy your video link to share other places. It's very important to share your videos, but we're just going to close and share that later. So here we are. We see our vlog. It's highlighted as a premiere. And here we have, we'll go into the TubeBuddy tools. But just for today, this was just to say how we can post a video to YouTube. And there are the details there. There, see, the premiere just popped up there. I just got a notification that Suzanne M. Scholler has a premiere of a vlog showing. And I'll be going. And here we'll just see it on the channel. There we are on videos. And there you'll see the vlog premiering now. You can create this lovely got a countdown, and there you can share that. Premiere in progress. You're officially one of the first fans to watch this upload. Enjoy this premiere, watching and chatting with other fans to real time.
A flower quickly fading.